Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share. Alright, so quick and fast. I'm using 2 liters of water because I'm making a small amount and 1 pound of sorrel. Now you don't have to add all these spices, you can add what you'd like. This is more of my preference. So I have some cinnamon leaves, some lime leaves, cinnamon sticks, allspice, pimento, lime, and I have ginger, and the amount of ginger I'm using is ginger. That much because I wanted to, you know, give me that feeling in my throat when I'm drinking, that spicy feeling. So I need a lot of ginger. Also, all of these you want to wash them, and for the ginger you want to scrub it. If you have a vegetable brush, you use that and scrub all that dirt, because we don't want to remove the skin, because the skin is good stuff. Okay, bye. And a piece of lemongrass. Some people know it as fever grass. Well, we know it as fever grass, you might know it as lemongrass. And yeah, bring that to a boil, and then after bringing it to a boil, immediately you're going to put the washed sorrel into the pot and turn it off right away, right there, quick and fast. You don't want it to boil out or anything. Then you're just going to leave that overnight and let it seep or steep and come to how it's supposed to come to. I like mine rich, like Vampire's Delight kind of rich. So yeah, syrupy kind of rich, because I like to add a lot of ice, and you know the ice like a diluted water down it. So yeah, and because of this too, I like to make it a little bit more sweeter than normal, because I'm going to add a lot of ice, and you know, so yeah, this is what it's looking like. Vampire's Delight. So then I'm going to strain it, and I'm using a double straining method because I want it to be pure. I don't want any impurities or anything getting away in it. It's that rich syrup look. Then I'm going to add some citrus, you know, artificial lime juice, citric acid, and then I'm going to add a cup of sugar and just mix, and then watch me pour it in a few. But before I go, guys, please remember to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your wonderful friends and your good up friends, and because God love when you share, and it's free. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Thanks so much. Bye bye.